If you want to merge or combine two or more PDF files, you just need to simply visit one website, and without paying anything, you will be able to merge it. So to merge or combine two or more PDF files, you need to type I love PDF and hit enter, and you will see the site ilovepdf.com. Now here, we will click on that, and the very first option is merge PDF, combine PDF in order you want with the easiest PDF merger available. So we will click on that, and then it will ask you to select PDF files, merge PDF files, combine PDF files. So let's say these are the two PDF files which I want to select, and I just need to click on open, and this will show you the preview of it, and you just need to click on merge PDF, and it will start merging for you. And you just need to click on download. So this is how it's so easy, and within 30 seconds I have merged or combined two PDF files. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.